Hello Parkside enthusiasts. In today's video, we will test Parkside 20V cordless grass trimmer. First problem I have is with the packaging. They'd have just thrown everything in there and good luck. It's so easy to set up, no extra tools required. First, I adjust the height of the tool using the red node to lock it at desired length. I add the protective cover, just find the position, twist and click, and it's done. Adding the second handle is also simple. This wheel is a secondary protection when going around trees or walls. Just push it and it's in place. Parkside was nice enough to include a second trimmer head with preloaded line. This trimmer has a nice auto feed for the line. Every time I start the tool, new trimmer line is released. It's a nice feature, but it consumes the trimmer line much faster. You hear when it starts how the excess line is cutted to length. It may not have superpowers, but it's a trimmer built to reach tight corners and spots where large mowers just can't fit. After each use, clean the motor, especially the air intake. Those holes get clogged with grass quickly, causing overheating and possible damage. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Hope you liked the video and the tool. Don't forget to give it a try and let me know what you think.